power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeatedly recite like a mantra, designed to empower our lives, but they actually accomplish much more. Affirmations create the most suitable resonance field for our desires and serve as the fastest way to reprogram our brains in alignment with our goals. Through them, we can manifest our desired effects anytime and anywhere. Affirmations enable us to change our beliefs in the fastest way possible. Affirmations that are continuously thought about and expressed sink deeply into our subconscious, transforming not only our beliefs, but also the entire functioning of our brains. This is where the profound meaning of affirmations lies. Our perception begins to erase old programs and establish new connections. In doing so, we replace negative principles and patterns that have sabotaged our lives with positive beliefs. It is crucial that we wholeheartedly believe in our affirmations. We need to feel them to our core, because we attract into our lives what we truly feel and believe in. How affirmations work. Every positive statement acts like a command received by the subconscious. Positive statements transform past beliefs. New beliefs are absorbed and transmitted by the heart and DNA. We communicate with everyone in this world through our beliefs. This occurs in a special space known as hyperspace, where no limits exist. According to the law of resonance, everything that aligns with our new beliefs is drawn into our lives. Affirmations. Expressing our desires do more than just focus our consciousness on a goal. They activate our entire being. We transform our faith in alignment with our desires and send our wish into the world as directed energy. The saying, "Faith can move mountains," gains an entirely new dimension through this understanding. Which affirmations are more effective? This cannot be generalized. Each person's personal expression of desire is effective for them because we all have different desires, aspirations, and goals. Naturally, each affirmation also has its own obstacles. Find the affirmations that feel best to you and create the least resistance within. Every affirmation should give you a warm, pleasant, and definite feeling. If you feel an increase in anxiety or lack confidence, adjust your affirmation until you can express and think about it without resistance. Affirmations should feel effortless and make you feel powerful. If, on the contrary, you feel drained or that an affirmation is sapping your energy, take a mental step back. For instance, instead of saying, "Being wealthy feels good," or "I love money," try different affirmations. By experimenting with 2 or 3 affirmations, you will quickly discover the inner barriers and negative thoughts you hold. The best approach is to seek affirmations that suit you best and empower you the most. The key is to feel the reality of your affirmations and derive joy from them. For example, the statement, "I deserve to be loved," may be challenging for many people. They may have long believed the opposite and received the same message from others throughout their lives. Instead of overwhelming ourselves with affirmations and creating the opposite vibration through doubt, we can gradually move toward the desired statement. Saying, "I love myself," or "I love myself more and more each day," can be a more powerful statement that creates no internal resistance. How to use affirmations. Once you discover the best affirmations for yourself, you can either silently think about them or repeat them aloud. Feel the confidence they create within you at every moment. You can use these statements as mantras, or if you believe you've infused your desire with enough energy, think of them once with deep intent. If you sense that your thoughts are once again being overshadowed by doubt, return to your personalized versions of your desires and repeat them until you feel the power and peace radiating from them. This way, you will be in resonance with your statement and eliminate doubt, strengthening your affirmations. On the other hand, when we consciously charge affirmations with intention, the energy we emit becomes extremely powerful. That's why we should always be aware that we are broadcasting energy whenever we affirm something. In doing so, we become transmitters. In fact, we are always energy transmitting beings. We transmit energy through our hearts, DNA, and brains, just like a radio signal, and everyone who is ready to receive it will pick up on that energy. The clearer the energy, the easier it is for others to receive it. The more aligned your affirmation is with you, the easier it becomes for you to identify with that energy and emit a more intense vibrational force.